Hello friends, welcome to the new video. Today I am going to talk about questions and answers asking during the interview of Roustabout. I have also worked as a Roustabout and I am now talking about the questions and answers asked to me at the time of interview. This is being done in two parts. So, welcome to the first part. First question is, what is housekeeping at rig site? We can say general cleaning that includes managing waste, clean the spills and surfaces, keep work area clear and ensure clear access routes and maintain equipments and safety gears. Keep in mind they will ask us the next question based on what answers we give. The second question is, what is stop work authority? It is used to stop any unsafe action or unsafe job, and everyone in the rig can use stop work authority. Third question is, which chemicals you mix in your rig? Normally barite, bentonite, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, and sodium silicate. Keep in mind, always check with the derrickman or mud engineer before mixing any chemicals. Fourth question is, before mixing any chemical, what will you do? We can say before mixing, we must perform a job safety analysis and read and understand the material safety data sheet and ensure proper personal protective equipment PPE to be used. Fifth question is, what is Roustabout duties and responsibilities? Friends, there is videos on my channel that contains duties and responsibilities of Roustabout. I will give you the link in description. So everyone please check. Next one is, what is the length of drill pipe? Approximate length of drill pipe is 27 to 31 feet. It can be longer for deep wells or specialized tasks. Seventh one is, what is a stand? We can say it is a section of connected drill pipes, usually two or three joints. Two joints stand approximately 60 feet and three joints stand approximately 90 feet length. Eighth one is, how many types of permits in your rig? We can say cold work permit, hot work permit, confined space entry permit, electrical work permit, working at height permit. Ninth one is, how many types of isolation in your rig? Mainly two type of isolation, that is electrical isolation and mechanical isolation. 10th question is, what is lifting gear and types of lifting gears? Answer is, lifting gears are equipments used to safely lift, move and support heavy loads that cannot be handled manually. Normal type of lifting gears are chains, hooks, shackles and slings. 11th question, before using any lifting gears, what will you do? Answer, we carefully examine the lifting gears for any signs of wear, cracks, cuts or corrosion or other any damage and verify it is certified and rated for the load that we are going to lift. The last question is, what is a protector? It is used to safeguard pin and box side of drill pipes, casing pipes, and tubing pipes. I hope you understand what I discussed about Roustabout job interview questions and answers part 1. I will upload Roustabout interview job questions and answers part 2 as soon as possible. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.